Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a full tutorial on how to use AutoDS for dropshipping. Essentially, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up AutoDS with your Shopify store, exploring its features in depth, and importing your first product. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to optimize your existing dropshipping business, this guide will be helpful for you. So by the end of this video, you can expect to have a clear understanding of how to use AutoDS for dropshipping, and you will also be equipped with all the tools needed to launch and grow your own successful dropshipping business. So let's go ahead and dive in. So to begin into dropshipping with AutoDS, we will need a Shopify account. And for that, we will need to navigate to shopify.com. Feel free to use the link below this video for convenience. If you don't have an account yet, then you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. You will get a 3-day free trial to get a feel for the platform. And then after that, you can get any one of Shopify's main plans for only $1 on your first month. It's a great way to test Shopify out at minimal costs. Once you've done that, you will land on the Shopify dashboard. It will look like this. And next, we want to navigate to the application section on the left sidebar. From there, we want to access the Shopify App Store and then search for AutoDS. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Once you've located it, click on Install to begin the integration process. After you clicked on Install, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. But the good thing is that you don't have to pay right off the bat, as yet again, below this video, you can see an AutoDS link that will grant you 14-day free trial. This channel is affiliated with AutoDS, and using that link will benefit us at no additional cost to you, as this gives you some time to explore the features and decide if it's the right fit for your business without any financial pressure or upfront payment. When selecting your plan, you will see options for monthly or annual billing. If you are serious about dropshipping and plan to use AutoDS long term, then consider the annual billing option, as you would get a good 25% discount, and this can significantly reduce your costs over time. Once you've made your choice, click continue and then approve to complete the installation. AutoDS is packed with features designed to make your dropshipping business as efficient and profitable as possible. So on this side of the dashboard, you will find several key sections, such as the marketplace, as this is the heart of AutoDS. It's where you will find products to sell in your store. There's also the handpicked products. These are trending items that are curated by the AutoDS team. It's a great place to start if you're unsure what to sell or if you're just looking for inspiration. There's also the TikTok Spy that helps you find products on TikTok, and a bunch of other features that I recommend actually going through them so that you get a feel for this application. But the most frequently used sections will be the marketplace and the products area. This is exactly where we can find and manage our products. And now I'm going to go ahead and find a product on AutoDS. To do that, let's navigate to the marketplace section. At the top, you will see a range of filters that allow you to refine your search based on your specific business needs. These filters are incredibly powerful, so let's go through them. Starting with the target country. This is crucial because shipping times and costs can vary greatly depending on the destination. For this example, I'm going to say I'm based in Canada. Next up, choose your preferred currency. Even if you are based in Canada, you might still want to use USD if you are targeting an international audience. This flexibility allows you to align your pricing strategy with your target market. One of the most important filters is the ships from option. This allows you to specify where we want products to ship from. If fast shipping times are a priority for your business model, then you might want to select countries closer to your target market. But for now, I'm going to leave it open. You can also set a price range if you have a specific budget in mind for your products. This helps narrow down your options and ensures that you're looking at products that fit your pricing strategy. And now let's go ahead and apply those filters. In the search bar, you can look for specific products or categories. So let's try searching for hoodie as an example. Instantly, you will see a range of hoodie options populated in the results. To further refine your results, use the best sellers filter, as this will show you the most popular hoodies, which can be a good indicator of market demand. You may as well use the fast shipping filter to find items with quick delivery times, as this is a crucial factor in customer satisfaction. As you scroll through the results, you will notice that each product listing shows key information at a glance, such as price, shipping time, and available variations. This allows you to quickly assess whether a product might be a good fit for your store. Keep in mind that the key to successful dropshipping is finding the right balance between product quality, price, and the shipping times. Don't be afraid to spend time exploring different options and using various filter combinations to find the perfect products for your store. And now that we have found some potential products, let's go ahead and move on to the next crucial step, which is importing these products to your Shopify store. Once we have identified a product that we believe will resonate with your target audience, it's time to add it to your store. And the great thing is that AutoDS will make this product incredibly straightforward, allowing you to go from product discovery to live listing in just a few clicks. Once you have found a product that you like, simply click on its listing to view more details. This expanded view provides a wealth of information that's crucial for making informed decisions decisions about your product offerings. We can see more details about shipping times, which is vital for setting customer expectations. You will also find information about available variations such as colors or sizes. Pay close attention to the pricing information, including any volume discounts that might be available, as these details will help you determine your pricing strategy and potential profit margins. And to import the product, click the Import to Draft button to add it to your drafts. This does not immediately publish the product to your store, which gives you the opportunity to customize the listing before it goes live. And now we can head to the draft section to fine-tune our products. This is where you can really make the product your own and optimize it for your specific audience. In the draft section, you have the power to edit various aspects of the product details before publishing. And I recommend crafting a compelling SEO-friendly title that accurately describes the product and includes relevant keywords. Additionally, you can enhance the product description to highlight its features and benefits. You can add relevant tags to improve your store's search functionality and the SEO. Of course, set your retail price, ensuring that you have factored in your costs and the desired profit margin, and the shipping methods, as you can select the shipping methods that you want to offer. So you can choose between the fastest option with tracking, the cheapest with tracking, or simply the cheapest shipping method available. I highly recommend taking your time with this step, as a well-optimized product listing can significantly impact your sales performance. And when you are happy with your product listing, click Save and Import to add it to your Shopify store. That product will now appear in your Shopify dashboard, where you can make any final tweaks when needed. And just like that, you can find a product on AutoDS and import it to your Shopify store. As you do this process more and more, it will get faster and more intuitive with practice, allowing you to quickly expand your product catalog. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely let us know if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any dropshipping videos that we can make related to this one.